And so right after visiting the King Power Mahanakorn, the tallest building here in Thailand, we immediately proceeded to the Central World to grab our own dinner. And we did not expect that Central World is going to be this beautiful, very Instagrammable, very festive on the outside. So we took our dinner too late already, which eventually led to staying up late in the mall. Kaya late tayong nakatulog, late tayong nakauwi sa hotel. At hindi tayo nagising ng maaga kaya naiwan tayo ng tour the next day. Kaya hindi natin na-enjoy yung Canterbury tour. Sayang. And here's inside the mall, ang dami rin yung mga beautiful aesthetics. Ganda. So, we're looking for a good dinner. And, you know, dito sa mall na to, ang daming mga Japanese restaurants. By the way, ayan, nag-milk tea ulit tayo. Ayan. So, we ended up taking in Japanese food for our dinner.
Moments later.
Angkal, saan ka? Sa Dax? O sa Closeta?
See you next morning. A few moments
And
later.
so just a few steps away from our hotel, ayan, may nakita kaming Filipino restaurants, Toto Inasal. And we didn't miss the chance to dine in and dig in kasi medyo nananawa na rin kami doon sa mga Thai cuisines na kinakain namin over the past few days. So, dito sa Thailand, ayan, legal ang magbenta ng mga MJ products. So they have a lot of displays as well here in Toto Restaurant. So we're having arroz soup salad and daing na bangus and sinigang for our
A few
meal.
moments later.
Alright, so I just arrived back here at the hotel and look. So I went to the streets of Bangkok and went to 5 7-Eleven stores just to collect all of these burgers. For, charet, joke lang. Pinabili po siya. And maybe this is how good this burger is. Kasi nagkakaubusan na siya. So imagine, on the first store, I was only able to buy 1. And then on the second store, 3. And then on the fourth store, I was able to buy 4. And the rest, doon na sa dalawang stores.
See you next morning.
You know, I'm always grateful to my Facebook friends because through Facebook I was able to meet beautiful people inside and out, and one of them is Sir ASC, who happens to be a professional living in Thailand. So yeah, nagkita kami on our 7th and 8th day here in Bangkok, and he treated us with this sumptuous meal, Filipino cuisine at the Calamansi Cafe. And we had fun chatting and meeting him. And nakakatawa sa puso kasi grabe yung kanyang hospitality, yung warm ng kanyang pagtanggap, and yung kanyang surprise the last night.
Kasama yung ano.
Ang galing. Thank you, Sir ASC. And after that sumptuous meal, we headed to the Don Mueang International Airport for our departure. Alright. It's boarding time, and we're now flying back to Manila for the 8-day travel here in Thailand. We had a blast.